Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karen from teach.sped.repeat. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this is a teacher happy planner. This is the big size. It says right here, encourage, inspire, mentor, praise, influence, inspire, I guess it's instruct, and teach. So this is a 12-month dated happy planner. I got this from Michael's. I used a 50% off coupon as usual, and I have been waiting a while to unbox this because school year just ended for me, so I thought I'd wait a while before I unbox this and start thinking about planning. Okay, so now that's open. Oop, forgot this on this side. And on this side. Alright, before I open, so this is the front. And here, this is the back. So basically all the covers are in here. And this is the folder. So this comes with 2 washi tapes that says coffee, teach, and something else, and some stripes here, and 3 stickers, and the covers for each month. This is a seasonal happy planner, which is kind of like just like the heart one that I had with this heart thing here, which is also seasonal, but that was a classic size. So here you go. So here are the 2 washies. It says here coffee, teach, grade, repeat, eat, and then the one that's just striped. I don't think you guys can see it. And these are the 3 stickers. And again, they kind of look like the one that I had, which was the classic size, just because they're both the seasonal. Seems to have a common theme. I seem to like the seasonal happy planners. Alright, so just a close-up view of the stickers. And here's another sticker. Remember, plan on it. And this one here. Again, usually I'm not really into flowers, but I thought this one was also very cute. Of course, there's a globe there. And a heart with words like instruct, guide, teach, influence. And then, of course, you have your washi, as I mentioned earlier. There's 2 of them. And of course, these are the sticky notes, 1-page flag. It says note, don't forget. Let me just show it to you guys again. And this one here is the happy planner. Again, encourage, instruct, mentor, praise, influence, inspire, teach. And let me show you the back. Like that blue color. And there's a message from Stephanie. And let me open this up. Again, just like the seasonal classic planner, this one has yellow stripes, and I'm sure it's the same thing on the inside here on the other side. There you go. So there's her message. And it says, this happy planner teacher edition belongs to room, school, and address. And teach a happy life 2018-2019. And we have here the academic year 2018 to 2019. And reference notes for the substitute, which I again don't use because I have my own separate substitute binder. And this is August. Again, kind of like the one that I had with the classic size, only this is a big size. So there's the letters, month at a glance. Make sure that it's mostly showing there because it's pretty big. And there it is, July, August, and again, the week is not written anymore, unlike the other Happy Planner, but I don't know if it's just because it's this one and maybe the other styles have it, I don't know. So there's the dates, July, August, and same thing like with the, it's a quote by Dr. Seuss. It's probably the same. And there's this, August, and September. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. And again, top 5, September goals, events and holidays, student birthdays, focus of the month. There is September, month at a glance. It's blue on the side. Can't remember if it was blue on the classic Happy Planner. And October, so pretty. It says, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. There it is, month at a glance. Oh, sorry, like a summary for the month. And then there's your month at a glance. Top priorities, again, the same as your classic size. October. Another quote. The leaves on the side is decoration because they're not in the middle. And there is November. It says count your blessings. Again, very same thing with the classic size. Month at a glance. There's the dots. I like how the like these things change color too. Oh, this one's kind of like folded or something. Anyway, I can live with that. And there's December, 'tis the season to be jolly. Alright, I'm back. If you guys kind of shifted position, I had to change the battery, so it kind of looks different. So here's the December like monthly summary, and then here is the cover. It says, 'tis the season to be jolly. And there's the month at a glance for December. So it has dots and I don't know what that is. It escapes me at the moment. So there are the dots. There's the quote. And here is January. It says, behind you, all your memories, before you, all your dreams, within you, all you need. Month at a glance. There's some snowflakes, just like in the classic size seasonal. There's the quote, beautiful minds inspire others. And for February, it says, the best teachers teach from the heart. There you go. Whoop. I like the peachy color there on the sides. And there's a quote there, be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody. Kid president. And there is March. I find the hardest work, the more luck I seem to have. then it's got this green stripes. There's a quote. And there's April. Sweet April showers do bring me flowers. Oops. Month at a glance. Again, mason jar with a bee and the flowers inside it. And there's May. Your mind is the garden, your thoughts are the seeds. The harvest can either be flowers or weeds. William Wordsworth. Month at a glance. Flowers on the sides. Hello Summer. That's the cover for June. Month at a glance. More watermelons. And July, savor the sweet treats of summer. There are the popsicles and the stars, red, white, and blue. And the last one is a checklist with the flowers. And this is the notes page with a mason jar and the flowers on top. So here's your checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last part is the folder. There it is. So cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed my flip through. So this is the big teacher happy planner, and of course I showed you a flip through of the classic one also. It's the same thing as this, except the cover is the flowers. So I hope you guys liked this flip through. Please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.